Good evening, everyone. Steve here with TradingForexForProfit.com. Tonight we are looking at the uscad on the 1 hour time frame. I've taken a short following the stop hit that formed right here at resistance. Okay, so here's the bounce. We begin to stall and kind of go flat, work our way down with lower lows from here to here, and then we push up, take the stops of all the traders that have went short here and saw this as a falling market. This is a logical place to put your stop order. Okay, they were taken, and look what happened. The market just crashed. This large bodied candle. I actually noticed this right in this area right here. I put a pending order to sell at this price. I put in a sell limit order, and it executed and then kind of just stalled out. So here we are going into well into the Asian. The London opens up in about 5 hours, and I hope to see continuation pushing down through here. So let me show you what the weekly looks like. This is in fact the 1 hour that I took the trade on. If you look at the 4 hour, it's kind of just went flat, and you can see that spike right here on the 4 hour as well. But I'm sorry, let me scratch that. The daily is what I want to show you. As we continue to push higher, the bodies get smaller here. You see as the bodies decrease in size, this level right here, I don't know if you can see that. Let me do this right here. This level, I'm gonna zoom out, and I'm gonna go to the weekly. Okay, that is in fact, actually let me do this. Yeah, here. Okay, this is the weekly level right here, okay, that I've drawn. So as I roll over, you can see that's where we're at right now. That's where the market is falling off from. That's the weekly level, and I expect, if you look at the weekly, this breakout of this kind of a choppy zone here, it hits the support, the resistance. I expect to see it fall back down, maybe retest this box here. Who knows what will happen here, but in short, we're at a level of resistance. That's what I wanted to point out. And so to see this big move at that level on the 1 hour does not surprise me. I'm going for the 2 times profit target. Where do we want to keep that? Above the bounce lows in this case, and there it is, just slightly above that. And I don't think with a signal this strong, I'm not going to target like this level right here. Okay, that's not realistic when you're coming off of a move of this size, or a weekly level of this significance. Okay, 4 hour levels rejecting it. Okay, I expect, and if you look at the 4 hour, okay, where's the logical zone? It's right here. Okay, so, and there's the take profit above that by a few pips. It's above that by 12 pips or so. Okay, which, as long as the market comes down, moves into this level, tests this, we'll have our 2 times profit target executed. Okay, so stop hit, and we'll pause this and come back and watch as this unfolds. Okay, our 2 times profit target has been reached. As expected, the market bounced off of this zone right here. So let me highlight this and kind of show you what I'm looking at. This zone right here, from this bounce point. Okay, so I took the high and low of this bounce. Let's see, hold on. This bounce right here. Oops, having trouble selecting that. Okay, so the high and low of this bounce, these 2 candles that the market moved off of, and that's kind of the zone. All right, this low to this high. So as you see, we punched down in here, didn't quite punch through it. That's why I like to try to keep the 2 times target, as much above this as possible. And here's the bounce. What happens next? I don't know. Maybe if you look right here, let's draw this out. Perhaps now we're going to repel off of this broken support, now acting as resistance, and the market will move on down through this level. So if you're still in this trade with a profit down here at the level or a little beyond because you didn't quite get the entry that you expected, I think you're still safe. So I'm just using that as a guideline. Keep profit, if you can, above the target level. Okay, so there you go.